2 days in work and partying, I went to the nature to connect myself with the codes that are there. Therefore, come here, then look at the sky, look at the clouds for a moment. There's some hidden things in there. You will see all the beauty in the surrounding nature. Connect with it, inhale it, feel it, recharge from the sound. Maybe just watch water for a moment. It will do something. It will do something amazing, miraculous, magical, or we can call it like transmutation, as this time it's about godlike entity, and you can communicate with him, like with the Almighty God. You can speak with Jesus, for example. You can speak with Buddha. And here are the keys for that. So basically, when you go to the nature, connect with your divine part, you will be amazed